Hello, I'm Charles Blair. I want to give you a couple of comments, my take on CAD CAM. We have basically for CAD CAM two machines out there, Cirac, which has been around a number of years, along with the E4D, which is more recent. I do want to tell you that CAD CAM at this point has really progressed. CAD CAM now is in three-dimensional. CAD CAM is so much easier to do a fabrication. Now when you look at these type technologies, the selling price may be in the range of $120,000. You think, well, that's really high. How can I really justify that? But what you do is you take that selling price and break that down over a 5 or 6 year payment plan, and now you're breaking that down into around a $2,000 a month payment. What you want to do is look at CAD CAM. The cost of CAD CAM is really an offset to the lab bill. The bottom line is, if you're a general practitioner, you're doing crowns, you're going to pay a price. You're either going to pay the lab or you could pay for the CAD CAM. The common lab bills are around 6 to 8%. You see, once you pay for the machine, the variable cost is around $30 for the ceramic block. CAD CAM has progressed so that you now can do efficiently quadrant dentistry and so forth. And so when we look at the break-even, typically I use basically 15 units a month. Somewhere in the 15 unit per month category. It could be a little bit less, it could be more. Another factor is your lab bill. The higher the lab bill, if you're paying $250 a unit, the break-even is much faster than if you're paying, say, $150 for your lab units. I think another fear is the fear of obsolescence. The fear that I'm going to pay for this machine $100,000 and 5, 6 years later it may be only worth $30,000 at that point, or $50,000, or whatever the number might be. And so you hate to take, quote, that loss. But on the other hand, what is your loss with your lab bill? You pay your lab bill every year, it's 100% down the drain. And so any residual cost or any residual value that is left with the CAD CAM at the end of its term is really better than nothing, whatever that might be. So re-look at CAD CAM. The quality is really there now. The efficiency of quadrant dentistry, being able to defer this over for a lot of the fabrication with your dental assistant. And you know, the name of the game today is same-day dentistry. So by having CAD CAM in the office, all of a sudden now we can do a crown today. And we want to add CAD CAM in conjunction with the unbooked operatory. So if we have that operatory sitting there, we got the machine there, then we literally could plug in today a crown and onlay, and it has a huge profit margin because, remember, we have built that into today's schedule. It sits on top of our normal schedule.